Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, do not mind my hair. I was in the middle of partying and then I was like, oh, okay, let me do my intro. Anyways, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry for not posting for Vlogtober, but I'm continuing Vlogtober by the title of this video. But it's not gonna be like every day. It's gonna be like probably like 2-3 videos a week for the rest of the week of October. But yeah, I had to try this hairstyle, so I was like, okay, let me see if I can actually do it. It's like, actually, I'm gonna show y'all the vision. Hold on. This is the vision. That's the vision. And then I'm trying to do a braid. I didn't even blow dry it because like my hair is gonna match the hair, so I was just trying to get through the little, y'all will see it, all right, we're gonna see how it come out, because I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I got this oil yesterday because my hair was really dry, and you know, I'm in Colorado still, so they don't really have like beauty supplies out here. But I found this and it gives. And y'all, I got a new camera. My old camera was trash. This camera, like, y'all just let me know how the quality is just different, but I'm loving it. I got the Sony ZV-F1 and I actually did record a review video, so I'm gonna post that and like my camera settings and stuff, and I did an unboxing video, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna use some Eco Style gel to like slick my hair down, and then I'm gonna go over it with some Gots to Be glue. I tried to like slick it down. That was too lazy to blow dry my hair, I'm not gonna lie. I really hope this come out how I want it to come out. Usually when I do a hairstyle, it come out cool. Put on my rubber band on this part. I'm gonna slick this back first. Slick it really good. Y'all, I don't want to do my ponytail too tight, because the other day I literally just had a half up, half down, and I had to take the ponytail out because it was too tight. Like, I be having headaches, y'all, when my hair is too tight. Ain't gonna lie, low-key, I don't know if I want to do like a low part or a... Nah, I think I'm gonna do a low part. Put the ponytail a little bit. I'm gonna do a low part, because I haven't done a low part in a minute. Alright. Tight back there. Right. And I'm gonna try to slick this part back as much as I can, for real. Yo. Okay, for this part, I'm gonna try to just like brush it out a lot more. Cause this is always this part of my hair, like it's like I be having trouble slicking it down. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I see the vision. I see it. Oh, my hair's so tender-headed. Get a toothbrush and try to like my edge brush and try to like clean it up a little bit. I'm about to lay it down with this so I can put the braid in because I don't want it to mess up. Now we're just about to put the braid in. Anyways, alright, I'm just installing lighting here. I think I like somewhat did it. I'm gonna show y'all like when I'm done. I'm literally gonna take this out in like a couple days only because I'm about to do a middle part sewing and I had ordered my hair. It came in. I just was waiting to do it because I wanted to do it next week, not this week. So I was just like, let me just do like a little. I'm literally only leaving this in for a couple of days because I'll be doing my hair and then take it out on one day and I'll be like, all right, I'll leave it in. All right, y'all, to take y'all along. Hey, y'all, maybe I should have freaking hot combed my hair, but I ain't no hairstylist, but at this point he's giving them literally a hairstylist. Y'all, I haven't did a slick back braid in like a really long time. Like I would do like the little slick back like up like this, like all my hair coming back. I haven't did like an actual low ponytail in like forever. I'm just gonna use this piece of hair to wrap it. Please stop playing. Y'all want y'all hair done? Hit me up. This is the finishing. Y'all don't mind if I still got white stuff on my hair. I'm gonna get it off. This is the finishing. This is how long. Did I sell or did I? I think I did it. I think I did that. This is probably the quickest little, quick little hairstyle. You know, you get in dressed or whatever. You don't know what hairstyle to do. You know, a little braid, a little lip liner. It gives. It gives. It gives, y'all. I think I'm gonna put some lip liner on. Alright, I'm gonna put some lip liner on. I think it gives. I feel like this hairstyle gives like more face. So like lashes, lip liner, like lip gloss, gives face. Yeah. Alright y'all, so this is the finishing. Do another 360 so y'all can see the top. Like you can see the part. I feel like the part not like deep enough, but yeah, y'all. Thank y'all for staying tuned in my video. Anyways, y'all have a great blessed night. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if y'all like this style on me. Like tell me like what I could have done better, or like, you know, y'all can give me like some, I'll take like some feedback or whatever. Anyways, y'all, bye y'all.
What would I do without you?